In our last lesson, we learned the poem that's on the screen next to me. Let's pat the rhythm and say the words together 4 times. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. 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 Awesome. Instead of a pat on the word splash, would you please clap? So we'll pat the whole thing. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, and then switch to a clap on splash. Try it a little slower one time. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. 4 times in a row. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. 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 Awesome. On cherry coke, would you please put that on your shoulder? Cherry coke. Or you can put it here, cherry coke. Your choice, whichever's more comfortable. Okay? Slow motion one time to make sure we've got it. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. Keep that clap. All right, 4 times in a row. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. 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 I hope that was 4 times. I lost track in the middle. Awesome. Ready for a little more? The first syllable of lemonade and the first syllable of lime juice. We're going to make it do a clap. Lemonade, lime juice. And you can do both hands or just one. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. Try it with me. Lemonade. Ooh, I missed the clap that I just told you to add. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke. Ooh, I added a little clap. Oh my goodness. Let me take a deep breath. And here we go. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. There we go. I got it. 4 times in a row for real this time. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. 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 Nice. Can I pick it up a little bit in speed? I don't know. Can I? Can I get it faster or am I just going to mess up? I don't know. Let's try it anyway. Lemonade, lime juice, cherry coke, splash. 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 How about we try it without the words? But before we do that, I want to switch what we've got on the screen so you can see our different actions. All right, there we go. Blue for claps and red for pats on our shoulders or on our arms, okay? Here we go. Oh, here we go. What are we doing? This time, would you put the words inside your head, please? I'm sorry, I'm so scattered right now for some reason. Put the words inside your head, but do all of our new claps and pats 4 times in a row. Here we go. How'd you do? If that was too fast for you, back up the video and practice some more, or just pause the video and do it nice and slow until you feel like you've really got it down. Awesome job.